How to disable YouTube AI dubbing. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can disable YouTube AI dubbing. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to go to YouTube and then you have to find the video where you want to turn off the AI dubbing. Once you have your video, click on the settings icon on that video playback. Here, this option as audio track, click on it. Here, if it is changed to any other language and if you want to turn it off, you could simply keep it on the original language. If you select on Hindi, then the video will be dubbed into Hindi. But if you want to turn it off, so simply click or select the original version. So once you select that and if you play your video, the AI dubbing will be turned off. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.